In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Make to HubSpot. If you're looking to automate tasks and pass data between tools, connecting Make to HubSpot is a great first step. I'll walk you through the exact clicks inside HubSpot so you can get the Make app installed from the HubSpot app marketplace quickly and confidently. Start by signing in to your HubSpot account. From the main dashboard, look to the top navigation bar and find the settings gear icon. Give that a click. This takes you into your account settings, which is where all connections and configuration live. On the left-hand sidebar, locate the integration section. Click into it. This area is dedicated to the apps and extensions that can work with your HubSpot portal, and it's where we'll manage everything related to connected services. Next, open the Connected Apps page. This shows you what's already installed. It's helpful to know what's there before adding something new, and it's also where you'll return later to confirm the installation. Now, click. Go to App Marketplace. The App Marketplace is HubSpot's catalog of vetted integrations. From here, you can search, review details, and install apps without leaving HubSpot. In the Marketplace search bar, type Make. Make is the automation platform formerly known as Integromat, and it allows you to build scenarios that connect HubSpot with hundreds of other tools. Hit Enter to view the results. From the results list, click on the Make listing to open its detail page. Take a moment here to skim the overview, check compatibility notes, and review the features. You'll also see information about what data the app can access. This is useful for understanding exactly how the integration will interact with your HubSpot objects like contacts, companies, and deals. When you're ready, click Install. Depending on your HubSpot permissions, you may need admin rights to proceed. If a confirmation prompt appears, simply follow the on-screen guidance to grant the necessary access so the app can function correctly. Installation typically takes just a moment. That's it. You've navigated from HubSpot settings to integrations, reviewed your connected apps, searched the app marketplace for Make, opened the Make listing, and completed the installation. After installing, you can return to the Connected Apps page in Settings to see Make listed alongside your other integrations. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page and it should appear. A quick tip before you go: user interfaces can change over time. If your screen looks slightly different, rely on the same path. Settings, Integrations, Connected Apps, App Marketplace, search for Make, then Install. With Make installed, you're ready to start building automated workflows that move data between HubSpot and your other apps.